Across the country, families are cleaning up after deadly severe weather. Dozens of tornadoes strike 6 states in the South and parts of the Midwest.
That's right. And now officials are looking for any possible survivors as the death toll continues to climb. Daryl Forges reports.
Crews and first responders have worked around the clock, all in hopes of finding potential survivors. Now, here in Kentucky, 4 tornadoes touched down. One of those tornadoes stayed on the ground for over 200 miles. The devastation right now here in Mayfield, Kentucky, catastrophic. Look right here behind me. You can just see what's left, almost as if a bomb went off in this area. The governor says this is the worst tornado event in the state's history. Portions of the Midwest and Southeast in shambles after major tornadoes ripped through the region overnight, Friday into Saturday. Kentucky facing the brunt of the devastation.
We are ground zero, and I know this community is hit. It's been hit really hard. We are with you. The whole state is with you.
In Mayfield, a candle factory is turned to rubble, leaving some workers stuck inside, begging for help.
We are trapped. Please, y'all, get us some help. We're at the candle factory in Mayfield. Please, please.
As loved ones hope for more rescues from the facility.
I want to find my wife. I want to find her and hope she's still somewhere safe.
State and federal officials are coordinating search and rescue efforts as President Biden promises to provide whatever resources are needed. In addition to Kentucky, twisters were also reported in Arkansas, Missouri, Mississippi, Tennessee, and Illinois, where part of an Amazon warehouse collapsed.
This is likely to be one of the largest tornado outbreaks in our history. The federal government will do everything it can possibly do to help.
For now, survivors are left to pick up the pieces of what's left behind, many now without their homes, schools, and businesses.
The devastation is unlike anything I have seen in my life, and I have trouble putting it into words.
And the state of Kentucky also has the assistance of not only the federal government, but also other state agencies, including from Texas. Now, the National Guard have been on the ground all day today, all in the hopes of helping those who desperately need it at this point. And also, President Joe Biden says that at some point he wants to come to Kentucky to survey the damage. In Mayfield, Kentucky, I'm Daryl Forges.